In this video, I'll guide you through how to make Microsoft Planner dark mode. If you prefer working with a darker interface, especially in low light, turning on dark mode can make your workspace easier on the eyes and a bit more comfortable for long sessions. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along in your own browser. First, open your web browser and log into Microsoft Planner. Make sure you're signed in with the account you normally use for Planner, such as your work or school account. Once you're logged in, you should see your usual Planner environment with your plans, boards, and tasks. Now look toward the top right corner of the screen near your profile icon. Right next to that profile picture or initials, you'll see an icon with three dots. This is often called the More Options menu. Click on those three dots to open a small drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Settings. If you don't see it right away, slowly scroll down the menu until it appears. The settings area is where Microsoft keeps most of the personalization and configuration options for your account and apps, including appearance preferences like dark mode. Once you're inside the settings page, look to the left side of the screen. You should see a list of sections or tabs running down that left-hand sidebar. Find the one that says Appearance and click it. The Appearance section controls how things look, including themes and color schemes. After you click Appearance, you'll see different options related to how your Microsoft apps look. Look for the Theme area or Theme tab within this section. Go ahead and click on the Theme tab to open the theme options. Here you'll see the available themes you can choose from. One of these options will be Dark Mode. Click on Dark Mode to turn it on. As soon as you select it, Microsoft's overall interface theme will switch to a darker color palette. This setting usually applies across supported Microsoft web apps tied to your account, which means it can affect Planner as well as some other Microsoft 365 services in the browser. Once you've chosen dark mode, it's time to head back to Microsoft Planner. You can do this by clicking the Planner icon if it appears in your app launcher, or by going back to the tab or window where Planner is open. If Planner was already open before you changed the theme, it might still be showing the old light view. To make sure the new dark mode theme actually takes effect in Planner, refresh the page. You can do this by clicking the refresh button in your browser or by using your usual keyboard shortcut to reload the page. After the page finishes reloading, Planner should now appear in dark mode with darker backgrounds and lighter text. That's all you need to do. With dark mode enabled, your Planner experience should be a little easier on your eyes, especially in dim environments. If you ever want to switch back, just return to the same appearance and theme settings and choose a different theme.